In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out bad sway bar links for a 2004 Chevy Impala. Let's fix it. We don't need that many tools. We need a 19mm, 6mm Allen, 19mm ratchet, the new sway bar link, a drill, and a ratchet wrench. Loosening up the lug nuts with the 19mm with a quarter turn. This one's bad. We're gonna switch that one out. Okay, with the floor jack under the frame, we're gonna lift the car up. Moving. For extra protection, we're also gonna put this under the frame. Here's the new sway bar link. Here's the old one. PB blaster, we gotta get this thing loose. I'm on the last little bit about, but it'll work. Do just fine. This stuff is awesome for breaking these loose. 19mm, 6mm Allen. See how it holds it in place? 19mm on the bottom side. And it pops right out, just like that. Now we take our beautiful sway bar link. Put the 19 back on. The new sway bars need a G40 torque bit. Nice and tight. The top sway bar slides right in. 19mm. And you're putting this here so that it holds it in place. The tire back on. That's strange. Well, this one's a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Okay. Link in the description below so you can get a pair of these. If you found this video to be helpful, like and subscribe so other people can find it. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem.